mean by national income? The national income, the total money value of all final goods and services produced in a country during a particular period of time, that is 1 year period. Okay, the national income provides comprehensive measures of the economic activities of a nation. National income thus serves as the instruments of economic planning. National income is one of the most significant macroeconomic variables. Simon Goodnuts, the economist, the first introduced the concepts of national income. In our economy, we are having very important basic concepts of national income. The first one is the GDP, gross domestic product. Then second one is a GNP, gross national product. Third one is a NNP, net national product. Then next one is a NNP at factor price. Then next one is the personal income. The next one is the disposable income. Then next one is the per capita income. Then next one is the real income. At last, GDP, gross domestic product, deflator. These are the important concepts of national income. Okay, children, before we enter into the basic concepts, what are the meanings of basic concepts? We will know about the meaning of factor price and market price. Okay, factor price means in our country, the farmers cultivate the agriculture product, for example, mango. The farmer cultivate mango and sell it in agriculture market in local area directly with a low price and to the intermediate or wholesaler with a normal price. That factor price is depending upon the cost of inputs. That one is a factor price. The farmers fix the price. In the factor price, farmers fix the price. Otherwise, the producer fix the price. Okay, this is a factor price. Another one is a market price. The seller sell their product in the market. They fix the price depending upon the transport cost, rent, and demand of the product. That is called the market price. Here, seller only fix the price. In factor price, producer or farmer fix the price, but market price, seller only fix the price. Okay, now we are going to see about the basic concepts. The first one is a gross domestic product, GDP. GDP is the total market value of final goods and services produced within a country during a year, 1 year period. It calculated at a market price and it is known as the GDP at market price. This GDP by expenditure method at market price is equal to C plus I plus G X minus M. Yes, already I taught this formula in a 4-sector model. C denotes the consumption goods, I denotes the investment goods, G denotes the government purchases, and X minus M is a net export, which can be positive or negative. Okay, whether it is increasing or decreasing, net export. Okay, this is the gross domestic product, total market value of final goods and services produced within the country during a year. This one is called the GDP. The next one is a net domestic product. This one is a subdivision of gross domestic product. Net domestic product is the value of net output of economy during the year. Some of the countries' capital equipments wear out or becomes outdated each year during the producing process. In our country, we are having only the raw materials. The raw materials export to the other country. The other country make a finished product with the help of modern equipments or modern machineries, and then they import the product to our country with a high price. Simply says, net domestic product is equal to GDP minus depreciation. That one is called the net domestic product. The next one is the second basic concept is a GNP, gross national product. That means the total measure of final goods and services at a market value resulting from current production in a country during the year, including net income from abroad. It will include 5 types of final goods and services. The first one is the value of final consumers goods and services produced in a year. The consumption is denotes the C. The second one is a gross private domestic investment in capital goods consisting of fixed capital formation, residential construction, and inventories of finished or unfinished goods, which is called the gross investment. The third one is the goods and services produced or purchased by the government, which is denoted by G. Net export of goods and services is a fourth point. Net export, that means X minus M. Next, net exports of goods and services, that is the differences between value of export and imports of goods and services, is known as X minus M. The differences between value of export, if we are export excess of export compared to import, that means we are having a surplus amount, we are having a surplus balance of trade. If import is excess than export, our trade of balance of trade is a deficit. And then the net factor incomes from abroad, which refers the differences between factor incomes, that means the wages, interest, profit received from abroad by normal resident of India, and factor income paid to the foreign resident for the factor services rendered by them in the domestic territory in India. This one is the fourth point. Then fifth one is a GNP at a market price, means the gross value of final goods and services produced annually in the country plus net factor income from abroad. That means C plus I plus G plus X minus M plus R minus P. These are the 5 points coming under the gross national product.